How to hide tokens without balance in Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide tokens. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Now here in the settings interface, on the top, you'll be able to see the option called general. Tap on general. Slowly scroll down. Here you'll find the option called hide tokens without balance. So it is turned off. Simply tap on it to turn it on. Now it's done. So if you go back, it will be completely hidden and the tokens won't be shown. So this is how you do it and set it up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.